Everyone's raving about this Korean rice mask, so I decided to investigate what's actually happening when you smear fermented rice wine leftovers on your face. Hit that subscribe button, because you'll need to see every product breakdown we uncover. The Beauty of Joseon ground rice and honey glow mask contains Makgeolli leaves, which is the residue from Korean rice wine fermentation. The company claims this 15-minute mask brightens skin, clears pores, and soothes inflammation using 5% honey and kaolin clay. So basically, they took brewery waste and turned it into a skincare trend. This product recently exploded with a 700% spike in Google searches, which means TikTok discovered another Korean beauty product and lost its collective mind. The mask sells for $18 at Sephora for 150 milliliters, which isn't terrible compared to luxury skincare, but let's see if it's actually worth the hype. The ingredient list includes rice hull powder for gentle exfoliation, honey for hydration, and kaolin clay to absorb excess oil without drying your skin. The formula is designed for all skin types, especially acne-prone and sensitive skin. Customer reviews consistently mention the mask leaves skin feeling smooth, hydrated, and glowing after just one use. Here's where reality kicks in. This mask works well for what it promises, but the results are temporary. You're not getting permanent skin transformation from a 15-minute treatment. The brightening effect comes from physical exfoliation and temporary hydration, not magic rice powers. Your skin looks better immediately after because dead skin cells are removed and moisture is locked in, but that glow fades within days. The honey content helps soothe irritation, and the kaolin clay genuinely absorbs sebum without stripping your skin. For $18, you're getting a decent wash-off mask that delivers immediate, visible results. It won't cure acne or erase hyperpigmentation permanently, but it's a solid weekly treatment for maintaining healthy-looking skin. Bottom line, this mask actually works as advertised. It's not revolutionary, but it's effective, affordable, and gentle enough for sensitive skin. If you enjoy Korean skincare routines and want a reliable brightening mask, this one delivers without breaking the bank or causing irritation. Thank you for sticking till the end. Please like and subscribe for more honest beauty breakdowns.